During either stage of screening, users may want to add notes to records, either for themselves or to share with others involved in the project. All users can add notes to individual and merged records. To do this, we enter our project and select the Screening tab in the top navigation panel. We can select either the title and abstract screening page or the full text screening page. To add a note, click on the Notes tab on an individual record. The Notes tab is located at the end of the row displaying the author, date, journal, DOI, and full text link. This tab also indicates how many notes have been added to each record. After clicking on the tab, a dialog box will pop up giving you the option to add notes. You can also select who you want the note to be visible to by selecting Only You or All Participants in the drop-down menu. In this case, I want all project participants to see my note, so that is what I've selected. Once you've done that, click Save. Once you have added and saved your note, just click the Done button and you will see the counter next to the Notes tab change. You can change the note in two ways: by clicking on the Notes tab that we used to create the note, or by using the vertical ellipsis on the far right on the screen. Notes can be edited at any time as well, and to do this, we simply click Edit Notes again from the vertical ellipsis and make our necessary changes. Remember to click Save to confirm your changes.